Okay guys, I'm going to show you a quick tour of my animal room. Start over here, we have two female guinea pigs. They're in a 4x2 cage. They're actually sisters. Next we have the pair of uromastyx. They're pretty young, we just got them about 2 months or 3 months ago. There's one right over here. And then we have one in shed. It's right over there. We like to eat most like vegetables, kale, and then birdseed. Very few crickets, and they like it about 120 degrees. We've got 3 cockatiels. This is a breeding pair. They're actually laying a bunch of eggs right now. Down there. On the next stand we have the leopard gecko. It's in a 20-gallon long. Eats mostly crickets and mealworms. We have a 4x2 cage for our Russian tortoises. They just got finished eating. They're eating vegetables and collard greens. I believe they're male and female. Pretty active. Here we have our red-eared slider tank. It's a 40-gallon breeder. He's right over here, basking. Got a bare bottom tank to reduce on the nitrates in there, keeping it clean. Here we have our African gray Max. He's in a pretty big cage. It's right here. And we have our Chinese water dragon. He's in a 50-gallon breeder. He's soaking on his water right now. It's pretty cool. Get to be about 3 feet. Looks like a male. Okay, next we have our rabbit. He's in a 3-foot cage. Kind of hard to see him here. Kind of see the length on him. Eats mostly crickets. Okay, here we have our sun conure Sunny. It's about 1.5 years old. Sunny, can you dance? away. We have our nanday conure, Billy. He's about 6 years old. Okay, here we have our male guinea pig. Then we have our 90-gallon tank with our bearded dragon. It's a male, he's about 6 years old. Pretty cool. Kind of hard to see how big he is there. We have our crickets that we breed. Got about 200 in there. And our closet full of animal supplies. Yeah, Max. We see ya. Likes a lot of attention. The tortoises pigging out again. Okay, and then we have our two new bearded dragons. They're male and female. Right here. Just got them about 4 days ago. They're in a 20-gallon log. So that's about it. I'll be putting up some new videos in a little bit. Alright, thanks for watching.